that hurt.
You ready?
Nobody move, nobody get hurt, they said. Make one wrong move, man, you wake up dead. I exercise my lyrical style instead. Otherwise you're dead and coming and forgotten, I said. I'm gonna come back for you. Nah, I'm still saying the truth. Yeah, if you really want them to go. Nah, oh, you're so goddamn cold. We're gonna make it alone. We don't need anyone. Lord knows we don't need you. We're gonna make it alone. We don't need anyone. Lord knows we don't need you. What's the name?
Fuck, that hurt.
Oh, wait.
I don't have a reload.
We don't need anyone.
Let's get it on!
But I still stay focused through good and bad times. From your worst fucking days to my best fucking night. Bet my last red cent.
I'll shoot that.
From lots of loved ones to life, I've drunk fun. I'ma blind the world. Take a stand and be the voice of those who cannot be heard.
Uh-oh. No ammo. You know what that means? What's your name?
Evelyn.
Evelyn.
Where does it hurt less?
On your back.
You're lying, man. That hurts. Oh, man, huh? Get film for that. Blast. Shot her in the ass. Wait, did you guys shoot it?
You didn't even feel it? So, see?
Shot her in the ass.
So there you go. You want to get shot again?
They got back as well.
Are you serious? Okay.
No, her ass.
Dude, she's not even... What's that?
It just itches.
You want to feel it on your leg?
A whole clip on her really quick. He's on her, man. You're the one that wants it, baby girl. Come on.
You sure?
Handle.
Alright.
Get her in the toe. So,
No.
oh, that toe? Right here. There you go.
See? She's...
Try this.
Evelyn, get shot.
That gay? That gay?
Say dance, motherfucker. I said dance, bitch. Is your leg there? You shot me too. Oh, hold up. I'm not done shooting yet.
Are they over there?
Oh!